Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
So the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, you're going to grab your cake mix with the pudding mix already in it. This is 2 sticks of melted unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and 4 large eggs. I do have all of these ingredients at room temperature that I'm just going to dump into my mixing bowl in no particular order. You can put them in order, any order you want, because we're mixing everything all at once.
Life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah.
So right here, I'm just scraping the bottom of the bowl to make sure I mixed all of my ingredients together. As you all can see, there is still some dry ingredients that have not been mixed together.
You're done.
So I have lined my pan with cupcake liners, and you're going to fill each liner about 3/4 full.
Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over.
So since we did add more wet ingredients, this recipe is going to make you 28 cupcakes.
Worse is the pain when you pronounce my name.
Now onto the cream cheese icing. You're going to need 1 to 2 packages of cream cheese at room temperature. Next, you're going to need a 1/2 to 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and then you're just going to whisk all that together and add just about a 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of milk. You do not need a lot of milk at all. I do let this whisk for about 3 minutes till it comes to a consistency that I like.
Your face, but the worst is the
So after the cupcakes came out of the oven, I put them on a wire rack and let them cool for about an hour. I also put my icing inside of a piping bag and put that into the refrigerator to let it stiffen a little. As you all can see, I am horrible when it comes to putting icing on the cupcakes.
cry for me. Oh yeah, I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria, Gloria, please, when you pronounce my name. Oh, Gloria, please.
Thank you all for watching. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.
Have fun.